When I see my child excited about math, I simply love it because over the past 3 years, we have witnessed remarkable growth, not just in his mathematical ability, but in the way he approaches problems, thinks critically, and carries himself with confidence.
So at Spirit of Math, I learned how to collaborate well with the team because we need to work within a group during in-class assignments. And I learned how to listen to others' opinions and try to incorporate that into my daily life.
I'm really proud of how much I've grown because in grade 7 I barely passed, but I think in grade 8 I tried my hardest and I got really far and I got pretty good marks, so I'm really proud of that.
I love how the teachers are always kind and always helping you and still encouraging you to do stuff on your own and with people without help.
My favorite part of class is the mental math at the very end because it's really fun and I get to compete with my friends.
What I hope to do with my math skills is solve math equations that have not been solved before because maybe I could solve them, who knows.
They always observe my son's progress and make an alternation accordingly. Thank you for fostering a classroom environment where students like Jay can feel both challenged and supported. We are grateful for all that you do.